Hello everyone, it's Melissa. I am back and today I am sharing a layout that I created, 8.5 by 11 size, and it is to document my daughter's piano recital this year. I don't document this every year, but kind of every other. She didn't have a recital last year, so I had to skip. So per my usual, I'm pulling from my product jar, and I get asked quite a bit if people ask me if I just pick the same ones and if I know the colors, and in fact I don't. I don't have any of the colors or any of the items memorized or anything like that, so it's always a surprise for me. I just try to pick a bunch of different. So I have clips, mist, miscellaneous dies, ephemera, punches, flare, and embossing folders. And in fact, the only thing I don't get used is the embossing folders. I'm starting off by pulling this Just Be You paper from Echo Park, and I really liked the colors from this paper. So you can see there I used some bubblegum Tattered Angels mist on that Lily B Designs Head Over Heels paper, music paper. And since both my daughter and her teacher are wearing black, I kind of felt like I could kind of do just about anything, so to speak. But like I mentioned, that Echo Park paper, I really liked the colors in that paper, so that's what I'm going to go with. So I saw a design not long ago from Studio Calico where they did some upside down kind of banner type look borders, and I really liked that. So I'm going to mimic those borders, put it on an 8.5 by 11 page, and yeah, I'm going to sew it down. So you see me using my 1.5-inch circle punch, and I'm going to cut half circles. I've just lightly tacked them down on the paper. That is a white piece of cardstock. And I'm also here using one of my epoxy bubbles, putting it on the word shine. Yeah, sorry. And I just put it on top of that piece of pattern paper. It's a clear epoxy bubble, 3/4 of an inch, and I will cut away the excess and have a fun piece of flare. Here I'm showing you how I used my sewing machine. I'm roughing up the edges here, tape down the back. And you guys, I probably use my sewing machine on layouts maybe once a year. If I make 20, 30 layouts a year, I use it once a year, give or take. And so not very often. I am adhering the white down to a piece of coral pattern paper that I have for my stash, and that is kind of going with that Echo Park paper, and it's really, for me, it's looking good with their skin tone. So I have Love, Love, stickers pulled from a Paper Loft sticker sheet. I'm going to use those. I also have the Neat and Tangled journaling alphas that I cut out in a coral colored cardstock. I used some My Mind's Eye stickers, word stickers, and some alphabet letter stickers, and some Tim Holtz, the Chit Chat verbiage words. And you can see there, I also have another piece of flare that I made from a piece of October Afternoon. If you look on the photo there, that teal color, I stamped the word favorite on the void there, and I put an epoxy bubble. That one is a 1-inch size. And yeah, right now I'm just picking words from the Chit Chat. This layout came together super fast, you guys. If you notice, this is a super quick process video. And it's only because minimal. It was just super quick. So I'm adding the stickers. Some of the words say exceptional, delightful, amazing, girl, cute, you are bright, spectacular, and occasion. And like I mentioned, I stamped on that October Afternoon teal piece of ephemera and put an epoxy sticker on top. I'm adding a heart sticker to the O in love. I always kind of like to do that if you guys have been watching any of my videos. Oh, here I'm going to show you a real life moment, you guys. This is me dropping my glued, of course, piece of flare right on my photo. I do eventually get it cleaned off, and I will show you the tools I use to do that later. but the only tip I can give you is to let it dry first and then assess the situation. So I'm just dabbing it up, and then I will come back to it. I want to make sure my word is straight, and going to glue the other one, thankfully did not drop. And that one says shine. And then eventually you'll see me add a freckled fawn, a smaller, even smaller piece of flare, and it's an epoxy sticker with a thumbs up on it. And it's in the same coral color. And so what my journaling is going to say on this is, Miss Julie has been teaching my girl for the past 9 years. Hard to believe how fast time flies. And this is at her church in that we do the recital at. And so I just showed you there. Oh, here I'm showing you the items I'm going to use to remove that glue. Some adhesive removers. Here I'm showing you the bits I took from the cut and paste My Mind's Eye sticker sheet. And like I mentioned, the of in my title was from My Mind's Eye as well. And the favorite I stamped is from a Scraptastic. This Life Noted September 2015. And on the bottom of this layout, you'll see that I used a clip. It was one of my pulls, and it's just a banner clip. I used my typewriter, and I typed out Piano Recital, and just added it on with the same thread that I used to sew down those banners. I also added a gray photo corner to the top of my layout or photograph. I'm just showing you the details here. Again, this came together super quick. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. I'm so grateful you took time out of your day to watch this video. I will leave my links to my social media site in the description box below for Facebook and Instagram. And I would love a thumbs up, you guys. I would love for you to subscribe. And I will be back with more videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!